In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do competitor analysis in Semrush using the SEO competitor analysis tutorial for 2025. Understanding your competitors is crucial to gain an edge in your market space. Semrush offers a wealth of data that you can use to analyze your competition effectively. Let's dive into this simple yet powerful process. Firstly, you need to visit the Semrush website. Semrush is a data-driven marketing tool that has a wide array of features to help grow your business online. If you haven't yet, open your browser and navigate to semrush.com. It's a professional platform offering numerous tools for SEO, paid traffic, social media, and content marketing on a single interface. Next, you will need to log into your Semrush account. If you're not already logged in, click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials to access your dashboard. If you're new to Semrush, you might consider signing up to benefit from its powerful insights. Once you're logged in, head over to the Semrush homepage. This page acts as your central hub where you can access all the features Semrush has to offer. From here, look for the SEO section. Clicking on SEO will streamline your view to tools specifically built for optimizing search visibility and understanding your SEO landscape. Under the SEO section, find and click on Organic Research. Organic research is one of the key areas you'll be focusing on, as it provides insights into the organic keywords that drive traffic to your competitors' websites. It's important because it helps you understand what strategies work in your niche and allows you to craft your SEO strategy accordingly. After clicking on Organic Research, move your attention to the Overview tab. This overview provides a snapshot of your selected domain's performance. You can visualize trends in organic traffic, discover top keywords, and even analyze differences over time, which is critical for understanding seasonal trends or shifts in your industry. Now, navigate to the Competitors tab. This is where the magic happens. Here, Semrush lists domains that are competing for the same organic keywords as you. You can use this data to identify who your main online competitors are, see how you compare to them in terms of traffic, and discover new opportunities for your keyword strategy. Keep an eye on the level of competition and try to find keywords where you can outperform your competitors. That's all it takes to begin competitor analysis using Semrush. With this powerful tool at your fingertips, you are now better equipped to make strategic decisions that can elevate your online presence. Don't forget, regular analysis is key to staying ahead in the competitive digital landscape. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your SEO journey.